Advantages and disadvantages of dark wood floors. Dear friends, dark wood floors are a timeless choice that instantly add richness and elegance to any space. If you're considering them for your home, it's important to understand both their advantages and disadvantages before making a decision. One of the biggest advantages of dark wood floors is their luxurious appearance. They create a warm, sophisticated look and pair beautifully with light-colored walls and modern decor. Dark floors can also make large spaces feel more grounded and cozy. Another benefit is their ability to hide certain imperfections in the wood grain. Scratches on the surface may blend better compared to lighter floors, especially in low lighting. They also tend to look cleaner right after polishing, giving a high-end finish. However, dark wood floors do come with some drawbacks. One major issue is that they show dust, pet hair, and footprints very easily. This means they require frequent cleaning to maintain their polished look. Additionally, scratches and dents can sometimes be more visible, especially in high-traffic areas. Over time, fading can also occur if the floors are exposed to direct sunlight. In conclusion, dark wood floors offer stunning aesthetics but require consistent maintenance. If you love a bold, elegant look and don't mind regular upkeep, they can be a perfect choice for your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.